It's that time of year when any kind of savory pie is most welcome. And today, we're putting one together that brings together 3 different continents. And here's the continents. North America. Okay, actually I think it's 4. Wait, North America's 1. Asia is the second one. North America because of me. Asia because there's a Korean component. And Australia is another one. And New Zealand is another? No. What is all?
I think New Zealand's a continent.
Australia's a continent.
Yes.
So what is they call? What is New Zealand then? What's New Zealand part of? It's part of that. What is that called?
Oceania?
We're not 100% sure where New Zealand fits in. Stand by. Max is looking it up.
Oceania is the collective name for the islands scattered throughout most of the Pacific.
There you go. Oceania is the collective name for the islands scattered throughout the South Pacific. South Pacific? Pacific. South Pacific. South? It's the stuff that's down there. You know where you are if you're in Australia or New Zealand. Listen, the pie world is huge down there, huge. We shot New Zealand 1,000 years ago and did a whole segment on the pies. And when I say pies, no, I'm not talking about the cherry, apple, and banana cream. Ooh. Do you like banana cream pie?
No.
Oh, I love it. It's my favorite.
Is it?
Yes.
Chance's favorite. Remember what we learned the other day? Chance's, was it, favorite meal of the day is dessert. We were all disappointed, but we still love him. And while I'm talking
Not
about...
all. I don't care.
While I'm talking about Chance, just let me just break a few hearts for a second here. I have to let everybody know our boy Chancellor is now off the market. There he is. Chance got married a couple weeks ago to the lovely Carrie. Show a picture of the two of them. They came by our table, and you do that thing at your wedding. You walk around and you say hi to everybody, and Carrie and Chance did that. They worked the room like a professional comedian at the Catskills. Nobody knows what the Catskills are. Don't worry about it. It was a lovely wedding. Carrie's the best. We love Chance. Sorry for anybody who thought they had a chance with him. Don't. He's taken now.
You only know
officially
from
off the
Mabel.
market. No.
Yes.
I'm old enough to know a Catskill
from
Canadian.
Mabel.
Catskills?
What's the name of the show?
Not
again?
Mabel.
Marvelous Miss Maisel?
Maisel.
Maisel, that's
Thank
it.
you.
Marvelous Miss Maisel.
Chance guy.
Mabel. Okay, but wait, hold on. Banana cream, really?
Oh, I love banana cream pie.
I don't know you. I don't even
banana
know
cream,
you anymore.
chocolate, pie. Probably dinner favorite meal, but I love my dessert.
Okay, good question. If you're in love with banana cream pie, let us know in the comment. Maybe we'll make one for Chance one day. We do like Chance. I don't know if we like him enough to make a banana cream pie.
Or banana pudding.
I think it's getting worse, actually. Stick with the pie. Banana pudding is not coming out of this kitchen anytime soon. We have digressed so bad. Savory pies. Chicken, beef, lamb, that kind of thing. And there's one down there they call mince and cheese. Mince is their term for ground beef, pork, chicken. So it's a beef mince and cheese pie. And that's what we're making. Double crust. I love a double crust. The Asian component will be the Korean spice to this. We're using gochujang. Gochujang. Here. Gochujang, one of my favorite things. I tell people all the time, you add a couple other people's condiments to your pantry, your whole food world changes. Whole food world. This is going in. It's going to be insane. Okay, let's get going. Can't finish if we don't start. In our Cooking Guy 12-inch cast iron pan, or whatever you want to use, we put a splotch of oil, and then a pound of ground beef. And this we're going to break up and let cook over the next few minutes until the pink is gone. Okay, almost gone, but you can see there's a little bit of moisture. This is 90-10. If it was 80-20, there'd be way more of this liquid in here coming off the beef, and you might want to get rid of it. I don't really care. In go some onions. That's a 1 small onion cut up, and a couple of carrots. cut up like this. Now this, we give 5-6 minutes to let everything soften. Then we're back. That's it. After 5 minutes, I put the lid on just to help speed things up a bit. So add a couple more things. These are 4 Holland peppers, sliced with seeds. And if you can't find these, and I'm always telling people, because you might not, Fresnos, red Fresnos would be great. Just for an extra little amount of heat in here. Nice mix. You can see all the liquid dried up. I'm going to give it one more shot of oil. Beautiful. Throw in some green onions. Cut, I don't know, what is that, a ½ inch, right? That's the first of our aromatics. Here comes a couple more. A little oil, and let's hit with some garlic paste and some ginger. Come on. There we go. Give that a second. Ooh, smelling good. You start to mix. We got some great stuff coming. Now a few tablespoons of the gochujang, maybe 3. This you can find almost anywhere, and certainly online if your stores don't have it. In a traditional beef pie, this would be tomato paste. Not today. This gets mixed in really well. Oh, you can really smell that, huh? And now some flour. This will help thicken everything. This gets mixed in until you don't see any more white. And when you don't, beef broth time. 1.5 cups. And by the way, recipes below, don't worry about writing anything down. Mix in 2 tablespoons of dark soy, if you have dark soy. If you don't, light soy will work. We're gonna get this to a little simmer. As it gets there, let's season. Kosher salt and pepper, we've not added yet. And a couple tablespoons of gochugaru. So this is as a Korean red pepper seasoning that is really great. If you don't have it, I don't expect everybody to. Paprika, chipotle chili powder will kind of get you close in a similar heat kind of level. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. When everything's mixed and looking beautiful, put a lid on, let it simmer away for 10 minutes or so. And in the meantime, we'll prep our pastry. These are a couple store-bought pie dough crusts. Could make your own. If you want to make your own, is anybody here going to stop them?
No!
Of course not. These are ramekins. This is what I'm using. Use whatever you want, but I do like that. What is that shape? That straight-sided shape.
Cylinder?
Cylinder. Thank you, Chancellor. Got smarter when you got married. Most pie dish plate things have an angle to them. This is more Kiwi, Aussie to me. So, gotta cut these guys into a circle. Out they come. Come on. There you go. And hopefully they will cooperate. Yeah, take them out of the fridge about a ½ hour before you need them, because they tend to break if you don't. So here what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut out 1 and 2. Watch. Maybe if I just give it a little of this, it gets slightly larger. So now we get these 2 circles. Save the scraps for whatever you want. Get these guys gently, and now they go inside of here. Flatten out against the sides and bottom. If it's a little uneven, that's okay. But you do kind of want them all the way up the edge. Like that. If you got a little bit extra here, you can pull it off and just do a little minor repair job. Nobody's gonna know. Don't forget, there's a top crust coming, so. This recipe clearly makes more than 2, but I'm just doing 2 for now. And then this guy, sweet. Okay, if I fill these up with the filling and put the top on, the top's gonna get brown before this part does. So we're gonna do what's called blind baking. These are gonna go in the oven now, 10-15 minutes. But before they go in, I gotta do something to them. These are dry pinto beans, and I know that because I wrote pinto on the top. So here's what we do. Take a piece of parchment, probably half for each. Scrunch it up, unscrunch it, and set them in the dough. And once the beans are in, it'll help keep the sides from puffing in. Great. Put them on here. Anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes at 375 should be good. There you go. That's what they look like. Here's the best part. See? It's okay. We're good. Here's what we're dealing with. Now, put some of the filling in that has completely cooled. Nice. Look how beautiful, rich, and gorgeous this is. Back guy. Oh, I was tracking so beautifully there. Okay, before we put the top on, I have one thing to add. Remember I said mince and cheese. This is aged cheddar. That's really delicious. Look for a good cheddar. Shred it yourself.
I just need to confirm that this really is aged.
Chances had a couple bites.
It is aged.
So good.
When you were inside knitting a sweater for your dog. It was good, huh?
It is good, huh?
It's. I said
What is
it.
up with your speaking?
It's good, huh? Okay, great. This is puff pastry that has just been defrosted. So here's what we're gonna do. Just give it a quick little. I don't need it too thick. Here's my ramekin. They need to just be that size. So we'll cut out 2, and we'll poke some holes so it doesn't puff too much. Then we put some egg wash on the edges to help make it stick. And then just take them and fit them beautifully on top. This guy goes here. I'm just gonna stick down all the way around. Nice and nice. Gorgeous. Where's that egg wash we had? Touch more on the top. For beautiful browning, this guy. Last but not least, we make a couple little holes on the top for steam to come out. And last but last, some sesame seeds. Okay, these are going in the oven 30-35 minutes until they're golden brown and beautiful. And we're looking pretty. Should we try one? Of course we should try one. Oh, it's hot. Puff pastry. Oh. Look at the cheese. Oh my God. Look at what we've done. The Kiwis and the Aussies are crying right now because they want this so badly. But in that world, it's not served in this thing. It's cooled, it's taken out, then it's warmed up and it's handed to you, and you walk down the street eating and burning the hell out of your mouth. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that beef is. Dark soy sauce, ladies and gentlemen, that's what it does for you. And here's what this bite's gonna do for me. Oh, there's a little steam there, boys. The gochujang. Whoa. Okay. It was so good when I was having bites of it. It's so much better now that it's got the pastry and the cheese to go along with it. It's insanely delicious. And the spice level is perfect. It's just beautiful. If you hate spice, then you might not like this. But if you're even okay with spice, oh my God, it is so good. I want this to be your new favorite holiday pie. And hey, follow you down there. I can't do it. I can't do either the Kiwi or the Aussie accent. I'm sorry. I'd love to do it. But the recipe's below. Everybody could make this and be eating like a Kiwi and an Aussie, like that, for the Korean Oceania holidays or whatever. See ya.